So guys, I've already tried this one and yes, it's effective for 1000 watts. But the thing is, it heats easily. So yeah, let's see how long it will last. And I think this is just a stain, I guess. As long as it does its job. Let's see inside. It's just a light cleaning. Let's take a look inside. Whoa, a lot of hairs and the dust as well. So yeah, I can say it's really doing its job, like cleaning. Yep, very effective. And in Shopee it's just 899 pesos, and since it's December 12, you guys may get the free delivery, shopping delivery. So do I highly recommend this? Yes, of course, especially if you have a husband who sheds a lot of hair, and also my hair sheds a lot too, so it's very effective. Yeah, it is. If you see the dust. Yep, it's effective for me. It's a yes for me.